Yeah, what's crazy about being out here in Brazil is that fruit trees are everywhere. I've seen them in the sidewalk area where someone actually planted them. I'm assuming the city planted them. I've seen banana trees hanging over condo walls, lemon tree. Well, I haven't seen the lemon, but I did see limes, see mangoes, papayas, and they're all over the city here in Brazil, the different cities that we went to. And it makes you wonder, why doesn't America do this? I think the reason why greedy corporations and corrupt government, um, people should be able to live off the land, off of their land. But I don't know. I had a viewer that watched and made a very profound statement that the reason why the government changes the seeds or they allow the seeds to be changed is so that the fruit grown from that will not reproduce the parent. And that's just devilish behavior. That just goes against everything. You know, God put this food here for us. And when you have people that manipulate seeds so others can't get it, that's devilish work in itself. And those folks need to, yeah, I'm not going to say it because I don't want to get my channel demonetized, even though I'm not monetized. But that's just devilish behavior when you do this to food. That's for the people. A lot of times I run across viewers that say, well, we can't have fruit trees out in America, just out and about. I find that crazy because it's always us, not the government, not the rich, but it's always us complaining that, oh, if we had this fruit around, it would cause this, it would do this, it would stop this. So let's just keep buying from the stores and keep giving them our money instead of letting nature do what it's supposed to do. Some people even said that, oh, well, who's gonna clean it up and it's gonna cause disease, it's gonna cause that. Come on, man, these trees been here for thousands of years. Stop making excuses. What we need to do is we need to come up with solutions, not keep making these excuses to go to the store. I'm sorry, that just doesn't make sense to me, you know, when we can grow this. I grow probably about on my property close to 50 fruit trees on my property. And do I maintain every last tree? Do I feed every last tree? Do I water every last tree? No, I don't. I let nature do what it does. It's a tree. It gets water from the rain. It gets its nutrients from the soil. It gets its nutrients from the leaves that drop, that feed it for the next year. The fruit that drop, that feed it for the next year. We just got to stop making excuses on why we can't have food really available like they do here in Brazil. Now, the whole time I was here, I did see a few fruit laying around on the ground, and maybe the city cleans it up. I don't know. But just to have it there for the population to consume, that's a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful thing. So instead of making excuses, if you're one of those ones who always say, well, we can't have because of this, why don't you become part of the solution and figure it out? How can we get back to that? And I say that because I remember stories of my mom telling me that in the, I guess it'd be in the 50s, early 50s, her and her siblings had persimmon trees that were just out and about. I'm assuming these were American persimmons because she said when they ate them, it messed with their mouth, and that's that astringent. But I'm gonna ask her, who cleaned up the fallen fruit? Who took care of the tree? Who fertilized the tree? Who gave it its nutrients? And remember, this is in the 50s. Were we really doing all this in the 50s? You know, I looked at my peach trees from the previous harvest, and I did have a lot of peaches on the ground. And I said, you know, I need to clean this up because it's gonna be a mess. I didn't clean it up, not all of them, but I got a few. What happened to the rest that were on the ground? Well, they're gone. Did animals come take them? Maybe. Bugs? Maybe. Did they disintegrate into the ground? That's possible. Did they cause a health hazard to me? My neighbors? No, not that I'm aware of. So we're good. So come with some different excuses than, someone has to clean it up and all that. Come with a different excuse. I'm looking for suggestions. I'm looking for a strategy. I'm looking for answers, not crying and we can't do this. So if you got some solutions, put it down below. If you got some tears, take that to another channel. See you on the next one.